Now to the western region, where years of neglect and inadequate maintenance have led several basic schools in Sekondi in a state of disrepair, raising concerns about the safety and quality of teaching and learning. But many classrooms leak during rainfall, while damaged structures and collapsed sanitation facilities continue to disrupt academic work. The Sekondi Circuit School Improvement Support Officer for the Ghana Education Service, and Migboji, says the deteriorating conditions are taking a toll on education delivery. Channel 1 News' Western Bureau Chief Akwasi Ejianim reports.
A safe and conducive learning environment is essential to every child's education. But in Sekondi, several basic schools are battling years of deterioration, with aging structures posing challenges to both pupils and teachers. At the Catholic Basic School, cracks and exposed iron rods are visible on weakened pillars. Ceilings and windows are missing in parts of the building, while sections of the classroom floors have developed large holes.
Over here at the Sekondi Presby School, I'm told that this is a 1946 building which actually started the school over here, and it happens to be the former school or the primary school of the current finance minister, Honorable Atufosin. And because of the current population of the school, which is around 1,250, the school is looking forward to expand. Hence, the commencement of this structure in 2006 by the church, which was later supported with funds from the GET Fund. But since 2006, the project has been left abandoned with no completion. And the look at it shows a structure without windows. And the headmaster tells me that the roof and the absence of the windows is also giving them a lot of issues when it comes to ensuring smooth academic work over here.
From 2006, we on it to 2011 that the building has been abandoned. Since then, 2011, the contractor has not been on site. So the school is uncompleted. When it rains, it sometimes get into the classrooms, and some of the roofing get off, and the children have to even get down. About 3 years ago, we have a stampede which affected some of the children, and in fact, we need help. The building has to be completed so that we can use it. The teaching and learning will go on successfully for us. We don't have windows because you are saying that it's not complete. So we are praying that the government and other people should come. As now, our MP has promised to come and help to complete the building.
The situation is even more alarming at the old hospital school near Jendu Park. Rusting roofing sheets, exposed reinforced rods, and damaged classroom blocks paint a picture of a school infrastructure in distress. Teachers who spoke on condition of anonymity say lessons are frequently interrupted whenever it rains, with water leaking into classrooms and damaging teaching and learning materials. According to the Sekondi Circuit Improvement Support Officer, Madam Migboji, the deteriorating infrastructure is undermining effective teaching and learning, while the collapse of sanitation facilities in some schools is creating additional challenges for both pupils and staff.
A good learning environment will help the child to absorb or assimilate whatever is taught. So if the environment is not conducive, the child cannot understand or assimilate whatever the teacher is delivering or the facilitator is delivering. Also, the facilitator, him or herself, will not feel comfortable standing in unconducive atmosphere to teach the learners. So like for Old Hospital, for instance, last 2 weeks rains ripped off some of the roofings, and whenever it rains, it goes straight to the classrooms. So my brother, learners sitting in the water and the teachers also sitting in the water will not help teaching and learning.
The Member of Parliament for Sekondi, Blay Nyameka Ama, says efforts are underway to address the situation, revealing plans to renovate at least 8 schools within the constituency before the end of the year.
Education, I believe, is the cornerstone of our development. So the school buildings that are in Sekondi constituency that have not been charged, painted, renovated, and they are, tearing apart, falling apart, dilapidated states. That is what Library has taken it upon himself that he's going to renovate all of those schools. The first place will be ready by this academic year starting in September.
Leaking roofs such as this you see here is what is actually motivating the MP to actually support with some kind of facelift of these schools to make sure that there is some smooth academic work across the various basic schools here in Sekondi. For Channel 1 TV News, I'm Akwese Jenim, Sekondi.